Hey guys, in this video I'm going to make a simple stand out of scrap wood. So I just need to have a stand to stick this up onto so it can stand up in front of the electric heater fireplace. And so what my plans are is to glue up some pieces of wood, cut a profile in it, and then do a kerf cut that's thick as this and about ½ inch or more depth, so this can stay in there nice and sturdy and not tip over. So we'll see how that comes out. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell to know when my new videos come out. So hope you enjoy the video and let's get to it. So I glued this up with Titebond 2. I let it dry overnight. So let's unclamp it and sand it down and get our markings. Alright, let's clean this board up and sand it. I'm gonna go ahead and square off the ends. Alright, sending it smooth to 320. I want to find where I'm going to put the slot to stick in the metal decorative. So I'm going to do about 2 inches in from the front. And the thickness is about an 1/8 inch. I want to make sure it's real tight so it holds that piece in there. So get the center 6. Alright, you can see that this piece here fit in there. I'm gonna try and just get this part of it. See how that goes. Alright, so let's see if I can get this slot made with the miter saw. I'll carefully line it up and plunge it in a little bit. So I'm gonna put in a stop so it doesn't go all the way through. It's good right there. Lined up. Okay, let's test it out. Probably too thin. Yep. There. I'm just going to do a little slightly more. I can get that on there. Okay. Try it out. Alright, I think that's gonna work. So let's decorate this piece of board so it looks fancy. Alright, so my box of bits here, I'm gonna go with the 45 chamfer. Gets a nice profile around there. So got the compact Makita router. Alright, so when you're using a router, make sure you have your safety equipment on. Goggles, safety glasses, dust mask, got my base camp dust mask, hearing protection, and make sure your workpiece is not going to snag on anything. And when that's all clear, then you're good to go. So there we have it. So now let's just do a little bit more sanding. Quickly do that and then I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm going to try this black lacquer. I'm going to spray this whole thing and then let that dry and then experiment and maybe sand some of it off and then stain it with some of this Carrington wood stain. So I'll go ahead and do that and I'll be right back when this is all painted black. Alright, so I got this here black. So I'm going to do a light sand. See how that comes out. I'm going to use some 320. So you give it a light sand. Alright, time for some wood stain. Got it all sanded. So some Carrington. Trusty old screwdriver. Sponge roller. Let it dry a few minutes. And then we wipe it off. Alright, so I'm going to put another coat on this and repeat the process, so I'll be right back after that's all done. Alright, so now I'm just going to buff it out with some of this brown paper to help it smooth it out. Just like this. It's a nice little buff. Then I'll put some clear polyurethane on top of this. And I'll do it again. The buffing. And should be good. Make it a nice faded out look. Make it look vintage. Let's get these edges. Alright, let's wipe it down. Get the Lazy Susan, put it on there. Alright, so now I'm going to put some clear polyurethane. Put it on there. Alright guys, so it's raining outside. I have the last polyurethane coat drying right now. So when that's dry, I'm going to go and set up the space heater fireplace decorative. Yeah. Here it is, finished and set up. A cool DIY project to decorate a small electric heater So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you later.